to be among the more
Go to engineering
intriguing
day.
options available. We'll begin.
Kappa. Then they go to the armory afterwards. You can't do anything here except for maybe from an engineer.
Interfacing our equipment with the alien technology still embedded throughout the ship. Most of the primary systems are now operating on some combination of our
Build a power
technology and
relay.
theirs.
Why? No.
My hope is to use the
Gorilla
vessel
tech.
I mean, you
to
can...
come up with something new.
Wait, which one reduces the...
Expect.
Never mind, doesn't matter. You don't have enough people yet. Just go to the armory really quick.
Hell is that?
It's right to the left of the main room.
We gotta hire some people. Recruit.
No.
What do you mean, no one?
No one that you know.
I'll make them.
Oh, you do that. I already have my characters made this so they can spawn into the game.
Aren't you fucking special?
Yeah, dude.
Aside from us getting this ship up and running,
Oh, I like
There's
this.
Colin.
mostly
I
about the
like-
ship. I haven't been particularly useful in a long time.
Why is that Colin?
That's that character is the exact model of my fucking character of Colin. I have him bald from Japan.
It's just Colin.
And then I have the hair, like, receding hairline, too.
Okay, let's see. Where's Japan? There's Japan. I just need a
Get
hair
the
color.
receding hairline. You have to get a better one. Give him black hair. And then go to the hair. You
Dude,
need to
his
fix the hair.
His hair is pretty receding. Look at
No. We gotta fix it. Hey, there's gotta be none on the top. Not on the top, Dylan.
Receding.
Where? Oh, you have more hair? Avatar, what the fuck?
I don't think I have these in paper. So I'm not sure.
Oh, have you beat the game or something? Is all you have new hair, like different hairstyles?
I wish I would have beat the game. Hell no, I've not beat the game. Where's his hair? Receding hair, medium, receding. This
Wait, what's the medium?
he has more hair with medium.
Turn his head really quick, though.
He's literally
That's the one I have on a medium.
medium.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go with medium. His forehead is fucking gigantic. Wait, hold on. What's
Got it. Moving.
Yeah, change his to. I think I changed his to Spanish. If I remember correctly, I changed it to Spanish, and then I got annoyed with it, so I think I changed it back.
It'll be Spanish. Attitude intense, perfect.
Colin's fucking intense. All right, so we got Colin Mayer. That's not right.
Fire. It's fine.
Go back. I do not. I
Oh
want
my
to see
God.
Colin Chewy.
Shoot. Fine. Let's see. Character info, last name, Chewy.
There we go. Perfect.
Colin Chewy.
It's close enough to his real name.
Where the hell are all my people? Oh my God. Look at this fellow.
Where the fuck do you have like mods installed right now?
No, I don't.
Where? How you fucking are you getting these shoulder pads and shit?
They come. I don't know.
You have to have a mod on.
Brandon Messi. I don't have a mod on.
Damn. Like that's just sexy. That shoulder pad.
Good old Brandon.
Silvio.
Oh shit.
That
Who's this man?
this might be the This either Dalton or David.
Yeah, it'd be David. We already have Dalton.
Alright, true. I thought he died though.
Nope, he lives.
Babu. Babooty. Yep, there we go.
It was my girlfriend that died.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Oh, there's already
That's close
an Evan.
enough to Evan.
Yeah, his name's already Evan.
That's not. It's Ewan.
It's Evan.
Is it? It looks like fucking Ewan. Evan Cordy. Queerty. Oh yeah, it's Ewan.
Oh shit, it's Ewan. What the fuck? What is Ewan?
Oh my god. Look, it's already Evan. I'm like, dude, that's Ewan.
And Marco Lazaro. I like his face. His face is very.
You want that to be you then?
No.
I like that face. Dukin. Ragtime. Oh, do I get to be fag time?
No, that's Tori. That's someone I already know.
Damn. Yo, gotta make me.
You're not here yet, okay? You have not been recruited.
God damn it. Alright, I'm gonna try to remember my... Oh, I'm gonna look at my, I'm gonna look at my name for my nickname so I can put it into this game
We're in South
really
Africa.
quick.
You don't get to choose a nickname, Lane. They get chosen for you.
I forgot you don't really select. You can't, like, change a nickname on yours. Because you haven't actually made them. I think it's,
Oh boy, 56 supplies.
South Africa.
We're starting in the
Gotta
young,
get them.
in the young South Africa.
Avengers.
The
Oh,
landmark, really? Straight going, already going for that landmark, eh?
Yeah, as a fucking engineer in the middle of the Sahara Desert.
Oh, good. Good. Oh, it's. Oh, fuck.
This research can only
Module.
further
Oh.
our advances, Commander.
Okay. What else do we want? Alien biotech? No.
Think you want to.
63 days. Hybrid.
Yeah, just
Jim,
took hybrid.
I had assumed you'd make that research.
Do you have to?
environment,
I forgot. Do you have to
Commander.
upgrade them manually, or can you just straight up use them?
Upgrade what?
Like
I
the
think they just yeah, it just comes as part of the. Alright.
Oh yeah, you have to go to that.
Yeah. I hate that when you're in the middle of something. It's like, all right, now fly all the way across the globe, and then you can fly back and deal with it later.
Yeah, waste your fucking time. And then if you try like doing like, get your sniper in there.
She is.
All right. Who is Heath? I'm trying to remember her name.
It's ragtime.
Alright, trying to. I know. I'm pretty sure I remember you saying this person's name before.
I have said this person's name before.
I don't think it's Tori.
Sky Ranger. Squad
There was a Clayton. I knew a Clayton, also her brother.
Fuck. Whatever. I don't really care.
Word has
Yeah, I
it
didn't imagine you did.
pulling data critical to the aliens' latest project
Oh, you have
on the
Duncan
advent
and
of
Operation
something
Gasping
waiting down in
Tongue.
this area. As far as we can tell, the aliens have figured out what's going on, and they're sending reinforcements in to destroy the device. We're moving in to secure the area and
Operation
protect the device before
Gasping
they manage to take it out.
Dude, it'll never be as bad as the Operation Sweating. Oh god, like Hydra.
Gasping tongue is. Wait, he just flew through a building! Fucking 9/11 the building on our way
They're
in.
already moving to destroy the data tap installed nearby.
Wait, isn't your supposed to person? Oh my lord, it's this one. Your sniper is booty.
Position is masked.
Snipers are never good early level.
Until they get like, what? Are you just in the fucking bike? I never did like snipers. I usually don't run them unless they have a kill.
Orders confirmed. Moving out.
Well, this is all we have, Lane, so.
Hey man,
Orders confirmed. Moving out.
They're not
Kills
bad
them.
if you use them right.
well yeah, I usually take my gunslinger if I take them early. And then I have one go down sniping.
Understood. Moving out.
I just can't wait to get bigger squads. And heals. Heals and bigger squads are the most important.
Hey, you didn't get a technician, did you?
What do you mean?
The engineer?
Yeah, because you died,
hmm
which sucks. Oh, Jesus.
That's another sectoid.
Fucking sectoid already.
Are they shooting at it yet? Yes, they are.
Go.
So you gotta pick up the pace.
We've got time.
Moving to designated position.
All the way down here.
Enemy sighted.
Indeed. Enemy sighted, you sucking. Enemy sighted. Oh, it's a crit already. Chill on it, though. Fuck, there's
Confirmed.
can't get to cover. Alright, we're gonna take one more turn to set up, and then we'll go in.
Affirmative.
Where do we put Dave?
Wait, where's your sniper at? Aren't they supposed to get an extra health bar? Oh, they did. Okay.
75% chance to hit on both of those, which is nice. We just need to not get discovered in this round.
On the move.
And I'm gonna back him up because I don't want to forget.
I mean, you have squad sight on. I forgot. So you, like, everyone's hit chance on him is fucking hella high. Just get that full cover.
Yeah.
Closing on target position now.
And if you wanted to, you could probably take the chance.
Nah, we'll wait.
Covering now.
Shit.
What? Pieces out. Wait, he just says later.
I did not expect that.
Oh, what? You can shoot the soldier. Can't kill him.
I don't want to kill the soldier. My main interest is killing that fucking sectoid.
I have a shot on the sector again. 66.
Moving to position.
Your best chance is on that building right there. They can just stack your guys right there.
They've all got crits, just low chance to hit.
No, you can't do that.
Should I just go for it?
I'd recommend just going for it.
Let me overwatch my people first. Like,
Wait, no, hold on. Who's taking the shot?
the
What about your
six-
sniper?
I'm checking. 66, 68. She's got a 65, no crit, so she's not gonna do it. He's got a 66, 66. The best chance we got is a 66 on the alien.
No, like, where's your sniper at again?
Over here. She's got a 66.
No crit,
Or
right?
65, no crit. Yeah, she's lower chance to hit and less crit chance. Like, no. Okay, so we'll overwatch you.
Affirmative. Covering now.
Overwatch.
Eyes on the prize.
I'm gonna hold. We're gonna chill with you. Let's see what you can do later, and then we're gonna try to shoot the alien. Oh yeah! Oh yes!
Nice.
7! Oh, that's so good.
We're spotted.
He's like, let's see. Ooh, first one, don't shoot the soldier.
Yeah,
Hey,
got him.
Gil.
It's dead. Sectoid's dead.
Alright. Second Overwatch did not trigger. Guy didn't move into the zone.
Alright,
Correct time has a shot at 35. I just go into. Can you go to the Overwatch with your sniper?
yeah.
Yeah, you can. Just do that.
We've got him on the run.
Because you still have a second Overwatch added. There's one. This. Second one? No. That's not. And there's the shot.
At least the sectoid's dead.
Yep, don't worry about that. I'd reload and just follow. Oh, no, you don't have to reload yet. I forgot you didn't use your sniper.
I'm just gonna use a grenade here. Maybe.
Just blow up the building.
Yeah.
Position confirmed.
Can you get a shot on him though? I don't think he can.
I'm gonna try. Yeah, that's why this is below a fucking
Grenade
sectoid.
out.
Blow a fucking huge ass hole in the wall. But can you shoot him now? Oh, you just straight up killed him.
I don't need to shoot him now. Damn right, promotioner. Okay, so let's just move him full.
Hey, get a tire stack, tire stack. Oh, never
It
mind.
doesn't matter. We don't need cover. They're not gonna see us.
On it.
We just need to move as far as we can. So we can have... Alright, and...
Copy
Go
that.
to tire stack.
One of your guys is in cover. Congratulations.
They don't need to be. They're literally just...
Are they in the? They're in the building in the
they're
corner.
around the building.
You can actually. No, they're inside.
You sure?
Yeah, it's coming from inside. You can blow up. You can throw a grenade on that wall, and just surprise them.
Target position
I
now.
have no sight on them.
I've got eyes on an
Oh,
enemy.
Oh, they're there.
shit!
Yeah, one
Fuck!
guy is inside. The other two are around the corner.
Okay. Let's hold off on your turn for a moment there, lad.
Orders confirmed. Moving out.
Going for that RNG grenade.
Probably. There's no full cover.
You can put him in that full cover right there and overwatch him.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
Understood. Moving out. I'm on it.
He has a crit on someone.
It's only a 69. I need to get Evan into cover. Okay, let's try this grenade first.
Blow a hole in the wall. Blow a hole in the wall.
I will.
And it hit the.
Oh, I thought there were 2 guys in the alley.
I think there's only one.
Yeah, that makes life easier. I thought.
No, there's 2. One is dead,
Yeah, one is not.
and the
dead.
other one's wounded.
We've got eyes on
Yeah, wait, did Evan throw that grenade?
No, but it didn't even affect the officer.
Gear at all costs.
Shit. Did I not throw it right?
I think the wrong person threw that grenade.
Or... No, Evan doesn't have a grenade. He already used one. Let's move Ragtime. I'm not gonna put Ragtime in cover and see if we can huck another grenade in there. Nope. And she can only get the officer. Shit.
Well, you can hit the officer too.
Yeah, but that's a risk. If we don't end up killing him, Evan's gonna get fucked.
No, you won't. Oh, you got an Overwatch.
I'm gonna retreat with Evan. I'm gonna retreat. Him back. Oh shit.
Orders confirmed. Moving out.
Send him back here.
Want to take Overwatch pistol Overwatch? Or you just want to take a shot?
Nah, there's no point in taking a shot. I'm gonna have her fall back too.
Orders confirmed.
Right
Moving
there.
out.
Or rip the guy that's just standing there with his dick hanging out.
Only half his dick.
Should have taken the shot on him.
Apparently I should have. I really, really should have. Shit.
She's shooting the full
Oh wait,
cover.
no, he's marked. He's marked. That's it. That's his whole action. He's done.
Same. Just burning building, trying to get the shot off.
Ooh, shit, that was close. I hope the building collapses. Is he
Hey,
dead? Ah!
you can get them both really easy though. Just one grenade,
Yeah,
or one guy with the pistol.
I'm just gonna grenade. I'm gonna play it safe.
Plays it safe by that works.
See you later.
Okay.
They just puts it right in fucking front of him.
Oh shit!
Dick. Oh. You want to assassinate him, or you want to peace out now? I would recommend moving the guy that ran up in front of him and just grenading that cuck.
Jesus Christ, I have to kill this guy.
You better kill that guy. Oh, there you go.
Hit him, hit him. Alright, so that's the
Hostile
officer.
classified. Weapons
Get that guy to full cover if you can.
Yeah. It's half cover.
Try the building. Like inside the building.
Yeah, there we go. There we go.
Yeah, get on the lower step, right there.
moving to designated coordinates.
Realize he's about to get dicked. Put him in somewhere safer. Like on the other side right there, yeah.
That's a
And then Overwatch.
Yeah.
Or Hunker. Yeah, just Overwatch.
Come and get some.
Come and get some. Just raise dead. Just raise dead. Or don't shoot at all. That's fine with me too. Oh!
Rip.
You missed! You missed!
Incoming fire! Watch the flank!
Ooh.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Don't panic, please.
Battle hardened.
He's got a grenade still.
You can probably blow up that wall that's hiding this other sectoid.
Yeah, I can bring Duncan into half cover.
Moving
here.
out.
Can I get him both?
Yeah, right there. Just blow up the other cover. And hit the sectoid. Oh, you can hit them both. Sick.
There we
Nice.
No kills. I'm out of grenades. Oh, 72 to crit on that sectoid.
Try it.
Take that.
Nice.
Oh, did it kill him?
Yep.
Target eliminated.
Oh, yes, we needed
This one
that.
might be carrying something.
Rag time. I would recommend just piecing out.
Hold on, I gotta make sure the other guy dies. I'm gonna do that. Shit, they're both super low health. Let's take a risk with Evan. You say you take a risk with Evan? Nah, I think we should play it safe.
At least move them behind that full
Her
cover and
pistol-
take their. No, move them behind that full cover and take the pistol shot on him because the pistol will kill him.
Yeah, I know. What full cover?
The really far full cover in the back.
You can't hit from there.
Well, then try the building that's near him. The farther away.
Over
Like
here?
you can move Evan.
I
Like
see.
that's what I was trying right there, and see if you can hit him from there.
I hope. Hope. Not out of range of it.
It should be still pretty good
No,
range
she
right
can't-
there.
She can't hit him.
Rip. Just go Overwatch then. And reload on Evan and Overwatch.
No.
Might as well.
We can hunker down.
Yeah, hunker down on him. Reload, hunker down.
It's killing time. Maintaining position.
Yeah, and just Overwatch. And pistol. Poop.
There we go.
Taken care of.
I don't think anyone else had an Overwatch, so let's see who shoots it. Oh, half cover. Ooh.
As long as he's still alive. Oh, shit.
And he panics. He runs into the building that's on fire. Takes a pot shot. Hit misses him.
He panics, so he decides to run into a burning fucking... Oh, I thought he
Oh
died
my
for a
God.
second. What's the flare? Shit, is that reinforcements?
That's a drop pod. That's a drop pod. You gotta end this quick.
Shit.
Reinforcements are incoming. You gotta neutralize that guy really right now. Oh, come on.
Damn it!
No.
God.
I'll get him next time.
Alright, you gotta assassinate him. One guy's gotta go behind him.
No one can run that far.
Set him on that. If you put him on that half cover, he's dead. But you have a turn. I think you have a turn when they drop, I think.
Yeah, no, they only walk, I think, the first number they show up, so...
Oh my god, that's so low. Overwatch. Just Overwatch him if you can at him.
No, fuck that, I'm gonna hit him.
Kill him. Fuck. Is there one more person that can go?
Yeah,
Move Evan to the lower step
you can't hit
and
him.
just Overwatch him. That's it. That's the only thing he can do unless you want to risk him dying.
Designated coordinates.
Watch him.
On Overwatch.
Alright, here's the. Hopefully they don't drop a captain. There's one captain and one other guy. No, there's no captain. Oh shit, there's two other guys and one captain.
They don't shoot, they just move.
Yeah, they just moved to cover. Alien activity. They're like, let's.
Duncan right behind.
Oh my god, he shot at the captain. He got him for 5 though. That's pretty good. Alright, and he has his turn, of course. And he's shooting at him. Oh, thank God.
Fucking missed.
Oh, fuck, yes. Alright. Panic removed. Oh my god.
Okay,
Alright,
so
yeah,
we're
yeah,
gonna
yeah.
assassinate this guy.
Yeah, no. He's gonna die next. Evan's gonna die then.
Evan will be a hero.
Evan's like, I'll take you with me. Yo, Duncan better piece out of that building then, or else he's gonna die.
I know.
I think Duncan's gonna be the real hero here.
We've got to kill this captain.
Yo, wait, how much is there a hit chance on him? Full cover at the. Yeah, take it.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, pistol him to death.
100%, 100%. Okay.
100% dead. Yep. Boop. Alright, Duncan needs to go
Enemy destroyed.
behind that server right there. Get that full cover.
Now there's a guy over there, dude.
Oh shit, my bad.
Hold on.
You can't cap it. You just have to
I can assassinate him with David.
maybe and see if don't assassinate the other guy.
Come on, David.
Her.
No, he missed. Oh no. Oh, he got him. He got him. He got him.
Alright, well, Duncan be the hero. He be the Joker.
He's out of ammo. He's out of ammo. He's got to run.
Oh my god, what a fucking cock out of ammo and the fucking what is that? No, just piece him out somewhere.
I can get the stuff.
Get the loot.
Yeah. Wait, I can't get cover and get the loot. Shit.
Fuck
Maybe
it.
He runs far
Be a
away.
hero.
Get the loot.
Better bring some good ass loot. Of course, it's not bad.
Tech guys will love this.
Why did just put Duncan's life on the line for an hilarious? Wait, he's going for David. He's going. Wait, is he going for that? Oh no! No!
Oh my god, the long. Ah!
I can't move.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Yo, did we go for round 2?
Heading to that
Wait, no, he's out of ammo. Shit!
No, David Labooty. Don't just reload on his fucking face.
I'm not gonna. Shit.
So, hold on a moment.
Oh shit! I might have fucked this all up. Come on.
Pistol shots aren't gonna kill him.
Get him most of the way there. Shit. I might have.
Can someone seppuku grenade him?
I might have fucked
Yo.
everything.
No. Move him, move him. Yeah, right there. Just fuck it. Try it.
moving to designated
Oh
position.
my god. 30% chance.
The RNG shot?
Damn
No. Just fucking reload in his face.
it. No, that'll make him die.
Overwatch. He has to reload too. Fuck. Can you Overwatch? Overwatch him
Let's do this.
and hope to God this man. Move David Labooty around the corner, like to the left a
There's
little.
full cover on this truck over here.
Oh yeah, go over there then, and hopefully he'll shoot at David without moving.
I'm on the move.
I'm
Cannot
hoping he.
believe I accidentally did that.
If he moves towards to shoot at the other guy, I'm hoping that he.
Duncan!
Come on, Duncan. No!
You miss!
Oh, he's going to the building! Oh no. He just what? No! Oh my god. You fucking runs out. I've done the same thing, so don't worry. Oh, even good than his revenge. Runs into burning building to execute.
No, he doesn't. He can't get. Okay, Dave. Oh, Dave's gotta get away from that truck too.
And he has to
forgot
reload.
he's out of ammo again.
God damn it.
Understood. Moving on.
Alright, she'll cap him literally in the head. Like, she'll walk up next to him and execute him. 100% chance. He's over. It's over.
Misses.
Kill
Alright,
confirmed.
we're done. Nice job.
That was so
Status
intense.
All hostiles
Fucking
are down and the area is
Operation
secure.
Gasping
Status confirmed.
done.
Mission accomplished.
Oh my god. That was so hard.
3 of the 4 went home injured.
But none of them died though.
New record, David Labooty.
With the 81.82% shot accuracy.
I'm glad the average enemy's kill per turn was 1.
Would have been higher if I hadn't fucked up.
Just charges him with fucking that without bullets. Just like, I got him, guys. Don't worry about it.
Oh my god, I honestly thought it was gonna be over.
I mean, if you had a fucking grenadier, you would have been fine. Just shot the shell and maybe kill your teammate, maybe not.
I didn't want to kill my teammate. I can't believe everyone survived. Oh boy, look. Okay, she's up to next level. Return fire or long
Let's
launch?
return fire again. Return with enemy fire. Automatically fire back.
But yeah, I'm gonna return fire. That's hella good.
Wait, no. What's long watch again? Allow Overwatch to trigger with squad sight.
Nah. Return fire.
What's return fire do again? I keep
She
forgetting.
gets
What
shot
is
at. She shoots back.
Oh, so basically, as long as she doesn't die, she'll shoot back.
Yeah, it's great. Alright, there we go. We got a healer.
Some of our most advanced
Oh, he doesn't have healing yet.
Well, yeah, no, yeah,
deploy robotic drones
he's
on battlefields that can be
ready to go.
outfitted with combat or field medic.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Labooty, specialist. There's another grenadier. And another sharpshooter.
Oh boy. And we got delirium core.
That we risked Duncan's life for.
But it went-
And he's gonna be like, oh, you did good, boy. You did good.
Updated our objectives based on the latest information. We're
Rip.
getting thin on
Shaken.
manpower. We should check with resistance.
She's
HQ
wounded
for new
anyway, so
recruits.
Isaki Dopey.
what? Okay, who do we hire?
I mean, we already got one person. We got Isaki Dopey.
Is this Lane?
It's dark. It's dank. And it's
No, go back.
ship
I
isn't
want to
all
see if
that
the
clear from
person
the
I
others.
saw and fucking you get was actually your soldier.
What do you mean?
Go to armory and view soldiers. No,
saying
that
this.
must have been an engineer.
Who the fuck you Saki Danky? I got a scientist.
Okay. Charlie Hunter.
That looks like a Lane to me.
Kill myself. What the fuck is going on? Weapon upgrade. Let's go.
Boy, you're on your hard luck too.
I'm hard on luck.
Good old Lady Gillette.
Yeah, you better give me that weapon upgrade.
Hold on, chill, okay?
My hair color is I'm not blonde.
I realize this.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. I like the braid.
Alright, weapon upgrade? Weapon upgrade?
I'm gonna give it to Colin.
Colin Chewy.
Where's the Gillette, Miss Gilter?
Oh, skill, fuck that.
Plus 5% aim, man. Come on. I'm gonna give it to you just because, fuck it, we need it better. Might as well take it. Okay, so we're going out another mission.